Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will learn how to use analog input on a Mitsubishi FX3U PLC from dollatek. First let's go through how to wire up a 4 to 20 mA simulator to the PLC. In this video I am using analog input number 3. So to wire up my 4 to 20 mA simulator I want to put 24 voltage DC on one side of the terminal, then on the other side I will connect to analog input 3. Then on the analog signal ground we want to connect 0 voltage DC. This is all the wiring we need. Now let's check how we can use the analog reading instruction. The first memory bit M8011 will read the current signal every 10 milliseconds. Then we need to make an instruction called RD3A. The first value is where we want to read which module number we're using. Since this board don't have any module connections we want to go with module 0. But for example if we would be using another Mitsubishi PLC where we can add more than one module we would have to specify which module we want to read from. The second value we want to specify which channel or terminal number we want to read from. I have connected my simulator to channel 3 so I need to put K3 here. Then the last value is where we want to store the data we will be reading. I am going to store it to D0. Now let's jump over to GXWorks 2 and create this program. We can now download this program to the PLC. I will now go online and test this out. As you can see the program is reading the value from my simulator. Although these values do not make sense at all. In the next video we will learn how we can scale the analog value we read from the simulator. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.